Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ease the Barber, and today I'm going to show you how I do my first fade. I'm going to start my first guideline with my Andes T-liners, being real gentle, making sure I get all the hair right next to the ear, behind the ear, while making sure I don't cause any irritation, making any redness, or causing any discomfort. Now when I make this line right here, I'm very gentle. Now I'm creating the next guideline with my lever all the way opened, no clip. I'm going to be real gentle, making sure that I don't get any hair in my client's eyes, while still trying to be fast enough to get this haircut done in a timely manner. The guideline goes up a little less than a ½ inch. So now we start the blending. Put the lever halfway and go halfway up the guideline, focusing on the moving blade, because that is the cutting blade. That is where the hair is cutting. So we're going to focus on flicking out when we get to the center of that guideline with our moving blade. Now we move the lever down and we're going a little bit lower, flicking out that first little line using the C-stroke method. And practice makes perfect. It takes a lot of time to figure out how to finesse this first layer of the blend. You want to get it as clean as possible before you move on to the next step. Now using the number 1 clip with the lever open, we're going to create our next guideline about a ½ inch or a little bit more. We're going to use the C-stroke to create that transition and that next level that we will be fading out with the ½ clip afterwards. Now slap on that ½ clip and we're going to fade out that line. Start with the lever open, using the C-stroke method all the way up to the top of that level. And we'll just go all the way down and around. And then we'll close the lever a little bit more. And then we'll just flick using the C-stroke. There it is. And as you can see, the blend is already starting to show up. Now I'm just messing with it, going up and down, finding any dark spots, and using the clipper to fade out anything that I think needs to be removed. Flick, 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 flick. Being gentle while grabbing the head. Pulling the skin a little bit on the head, making sure there's tension. Making sure that I hold the head in the light. Now that's the 1.5 clip, and we're going to start blending this top layer into the top of the hair. So I'm just gonna brush it up, brush it up, brush it up. As you can see, I'm just allowing the client to be comfortable as I put on that one clip and start blending the in-between area from the 1.5 clip guideline that we just made. Doing the same method I used every time I fade it out. I start with the lever open, and then I close it a little bit, and then I close it all the way. And then after that, I start to rotate and go in between. Now we're putting on the number 2 clip, flicking out and blending that fade into the top area. All the way open. So now we're going to get that 1.5 clip again and take out that new guideline that we just created. Just taking it step by step. Go up, fade, go up a little bit more with the next guideline. Fade that guideline out, and if we continue this process, we will end up with an amazing haircut. Hopefully you guys can follow along and take a couple of these tips, use them in your daily routine. Hopefully I can help you out.
I want people to know how to heal themselves.
Have to tell him to keep his head still and look over there. He's not really happy about it, but we're making it work. Now I'm just rotating. I got the clipper over the comb, getting rid of that extra little bulk on the side. Transitioning the bottom fade to the top. Now I got the 3 clip on. Going to get rid of that little bit of that line. The line of demarcation. Need to get that out of there. Now we got the 1.5 clip on. Just cleaning up any little bit of stuff that I see. Once you get far in your career and you're experienced with the clippers, you can just see where there's the dark spots and you'll know what clip to put on. Now that the fade is pretty decent, We're going to go in with the T outliners, creating the C cup, making that fade pop out just a little bit more right there in the corners. That real nice sharp line gives it a little added detail and added touch. That goes a long way. Just want to make sure you don't push back that line too far. We want to keep it natural so the regrowth is consistent. Now I'm going to start a design, creating two somewhat parallel lines, making one end thicker than the other end, making it look nice and sharp. Now we're gonna pretty much make a T or an H through those lines, same length as the trimmers. I'll make a nice curved shape. Then we'll make a nice Z design. Little lightning bolt, tie it all together. That's it. Nice little burst fade with the design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a few things. Give the video a like. And let me know if you want me to continue making these videos. Now I'm styling the hair. Just make it a little messy look. Much love, everybody. Until next time, this is the Barber saying much love. Peace.